Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to be reviewing the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite 5G. Check this out. NE. What does NE mean? I don't know. And also the Mi 11T Pro, but this will be in another video, right? This video will focus on the Mi 11 Lite 5G NE. Ooh. As you can see, Xiaomi has adopted this golden color. Looks fancy. As always, it has this logo with easy access to the Google apps you use most and know what you're talking about. Before we officially get into the unboxing, I'd like to give credit to my friend Simi for lending me this phone. Please check out her channel, link is in the description. And the first layer we have a small box. As always, you get a pin and also a 3.5mm head jack, a 3.5mm headphone jack to the Type-C cable. Also some paperwork. You get warranty card and safety information, and also we have a soft case, and then we have the phone. Ooh, this is like fancy pink reddish color. Do you like it? I find it's gorgeous. Oh, the phone feels really lightweight, huh? Let me walk you through some highlights. Okay, the first one, featherlight design, elegant and sleek. A 9Hz AMOLED Dolby Vision supported, 10-bit color depth and true color. Also, we have high resolution 64 megapixel triple camera, ultra wide and telemicro lenses, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G. High performance with dual 5G. And the last year we have the USB Type-C cable, 30 max watt fast charging adapter, as you can see from here. So on top we have the noise cancelling mic and infrared blaster, and on this left side we have nothing. On the bottom we see the speaker, Type-C port, and the SIM card. Let me check the SIM card type. It supports SIM card 1 and SIM card 2, and also it supports SD card expansion. Ooh. And if you are curious about the sound, here it is. And on the right side we have the volume rocker and also the fingerprint scanner. That's also the power key. On the back we have the camera. The main camera is obvious, as we mentioned, it's 64 megapixel, and the other two is, well, just list on the screen. Anyway, alright, let's check out the settings. The MIUI version, MIUI Global 12.5.0 stable, and storage is 128 gigs. And when you click in, you can see this cool animation to see what's what. The RAM is 6 gigs, octa-core max 2.4 gigahertz. Basically doesn't say anything, right? The specs doesn't say any specs. That's weird. And obviously it supports up to 90 Hz refresh rate. Let's tune to 90 Hz because I always like the fastest one, right? And if you are curious to know the Antutu benchmark, here it is. So it's 437K, and that's not very bad for a mid-ranger. Okay, 4K stabilization, let's go. So after several days with the Mi 11 Lite 5G, here is my first impression. What really impressed me is the Featherlight design as it advertises. To be honest, I haven't seen a phone this lightweight for a long time. Basically, you can one hand hold it without any problem, and also you can do many things with your one hand comfortably. You can see I can reach the top corner very easily without any issue. And second, I guess, is the overall performance. It has a decent camera performance. The portrait is good. The 64 megapixel camera is decent. It captures the details and offers a rich to life color, and I really like it. The hardware is good. From the Antutu benchmark, it performs pretty good, and I would imagine when you're playing games, it would be no problem at all. Third, I guess, is the price. Currently, I don't know the price, but you know, Xiaomi style would be budget friendly. So my suggestion is, if you are looking for a lightweight, beautiful 5G phone that's also have a decent camera and overall performance, then I guess the Mi 11 Lite 5G is the major goal. Alright, that's the video. I hope it has helped you in some way. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm Sammy, and we'll see you in the next one.